You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, including medical terms, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll definitely want to listen to and learn from. Pronounced in British English, pronunciation as Anasarka. Anasarka. The American English pronunciation, the way it's usually pronounced in the US, it's pronounced as Anasarka. Anasarka. So similar pronunciation. How to pronounce English pronunciation, Anasarka. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.